Ready? Start. I am indeed delighted to interact with all of you at the Visakhapatnam Regional Center of the Central Marine Fisheries Research Institute. Coming from a coastal region of the country, I have had a long time association with fisheries. I was truly impressed with the exemplary research work being carried out at CMFRI, particularly at the Visakhapatnam Regional Center in the area of mariculture. The production of sniper seed technology will give a fillip to diversification of mariculture in India. I am happy to note that CMFRI's efforts are wonderfully complemented by Central Institute of Fisheries Technology and other research centers. This institute has made a mark in the development of fishing and fish processing technologies. I am also happy to note that it was duly honored with the Sardar Patel Outstanding ICAR Institution Award thrice for its commendable scientific contributions to the fisheries sector. I am glad to know that CIFT conducts basic and strategic research in fishing and processing, designing and developing energy efficient fishing systems for responsible fishing and sustainable management, apart from focusing on the development of implements and machinery for fishing and fish processing. The human resource development through training imparted by CIFT is equally important. My visit to the institutes and the marine museums showcasing research and various achievements has given me a better understanding of the good work being carried out here. My compliments to all of you. As we all are aware, India is blessed with vast aquatic resources, from the pristine waters of the Himalayas to a long coastline of over 8,000 kilometers. These waters are endowed with a diversity of fish fauna that has been supporting the livelihoods of millions of people for many generations. Now, India ranks second in the world in total fish production with an annual fish production of 13.75 million metric tons in 2018-19. Of this, the island fisheries sector contributes nearly 70% and the rest comes from the marine sector. But there still is a lot of potential to be harnessed in both island and marine fisheries. As such, the total fisheries potential of India has been estimated at more than 22 million metric tons. With a modest start from being a small scale industry, fisheries have grown to become a very important socio-economic force for our country over the past few decades. The share of the fisheries sector is more than 1% of India's GDP now, up from merely 0.40% in 1950-51. Fisheries also constitute about 10% of total exports from India, with export earnings exceeding 7 billion US dollar. India is the fourth largest exporter of fish in the world, and the sector has been one of the major contributors of foreign exchange earnings More than just the macroeconomic importance, the marine fisheries sector provides employment to nearly 15 million people on the Indian coast, comprising mostly of socio-economically backward artisanal and small-scale fishers whose lives are closely intertwined with the ocean and seas. This social factor is what really underlines the importance of fisheries for our country.